Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Couple of weeks before I have uploaded video on YouTube, I was installing tile in my bathroom. As you can see, there was a limited space, so I was doing really hard work to making my tiles straight and level. So somehow I was able to manage my first bathroom and I pretty done my job. And I have another bathroom to finish, so I start searching a little bit more so I can install my tiles in a really easy way. So somehow I found really cool stuff, so I decided to make a video. As you can see, I have a front of me, there is two things inside the box, a called clips, and is also called part A. And this box, it comes like 300 flat clips, and second bag they call wedges, and they are like small triangles, they both work together. It's part B. As you can see, I have a white clip, I have a flat clip. This goes when we install tile, then B part goes on the top. And white clips you can find in a couple brands, couple different ways. Like I have this one flat and this one a B. B is like a triangle thing, but you can also find these clips like little oval shape from the bottom. They are like have a little bit more force, tile up and down. So I know it doesn't make any sense right now, but I show you in a minute. You can see I have installed already a couple tiles. Then I will install this first row. So once you try to install second row, then you put these clips, the white clips part A under the tile. They go like that. They also work as a spacer. You don't need to buy extra spacers. So once you put a first row, you install those white clips, then you're gonna start installing second row. Second row, you just put tile on top of the clip, but as you can see in the middle where we have installed spacers, the white clips coming out. Now we are going to use those B part like triangles, wedges, and we're gonna press through with thumb. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna make second row and a level to the first one. If you have a bigger job, I will recommend you can also buy a tool. They also call like a B part clipper, like it's kind of channel lock, and you don't have to use your thumb. You can use that tool to lock those clips. So now we have installed the second row. That's the way you can just put those clips. You need like a 4 clips on each corner, like one on each corner. One tile need a 4. And once you done, let it dry for overnight, and next day you can just start taking off those clips out and start cleaning them out. So now our tiles are dry. I'm on second day. I still have a couple more tiles to install, but I'm going to finish these one first because I have installed yesterday. Now we are going to pull those jello B part wedges out. There comes out really easy, and you can reuse those. You just save it. Like I have a clip like that. They can use it many times you want to use. You can just buy a couple of those. But part A, like white things, when you pull out, they just break apart. You just come this one, they have to be go and trash. You cannot reuse. You have to buy again. So that's why you buy in bulk, like get more quantity. See those one, it comes out really easy. Now you can just clean them out and you're done and start filling grout. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.